Hello dear fans. What is jargon? Jargon is a social dialect, a complex of vocabulary, expressive expressions, characteristic of any social group. The specific vocabulary of the jargon develops within the phonetic and grammatical system of any language. Social jargon first appeared in the 18th century among the nobility. It was the so-called salon jargon, based on borrowings from foreign languages, adapted for Russian-speaking users. The lexical stock of jargon is formed on the basis of the literary language by means of rethinking the meanings of words, metaphorization, and sound transformation. The jargons of various groups are very different in terms of lexical set and established style. However, another distinctive feature of jargon is its variability. Therefore, over time, some expressions can wander from one group to another, acquire new meanings, and transform phonetically. Part of the slang vocabulary is used in different social groups. It can be conditionally called common. However, depending on the characteristics of the group in which they are used, words take on a specific color. As sources of slang vocabulary, several languages or dialects can act at once. So, for example, specific jargon is often formed in places of communication between representatives of different nationalities in ports and at the borders of states. Practically indistinguishable concepts of slang and argot are sometimes used as synonyms for the word jargon. As a distinctive feature of slang, it is usually called its softer emotional coloring. Argot is characterized as the language of more closed social groups. It is necessary to distinguish colloquial expressions from the listed concepts. If slang, argot or jargon can also be used by educated people, professional jargon, youth jargon, internet slang, then vernaculars indicate a lower level of education. They are popular among marginalized segments of the population. The main function of jargon is to denote a person's belonging to a particular community. However, it can also be used in fiction for the speech characteristics of heroes. Thanks for watching.